Jeff Fitzgerald from the MoDev East Developer Conference here at the Gannett headquarters in McLean, Virginia. And I'm with Danny White, Director of Sales for App47. Danny, what kind of people get into the product that you're offering?
Great question, Jeff. Really people developing mobile apps. And obviously you've got people in the enterprise developing enterprise-based apps. You've also got those building consumer-based apps. Really what we strive to accomplish is the full lifecycle management for mobile applications. So we do deployment, analytics, and we manage those apps for you with remote configuration. We do things like track log data, crashes, debugs, etc., generic events, timed events. We provide an enterprise app store to make it easy to deploy apps, whether they're to QA and testers or out to the enterprise itself and your employees.
You mentioned the enterprise, but are there other customers and consumers who may not be at enterprise level, smaller organizations? Can they take advantage of what you're doing?
Absolutely. We work with large customers, small customers. Bottom line is probably need to have an app or be at some point in the app development process. Early on is excellent. It's a great time to add what we do, get some of the analytic information back to make it easier to build. But of course, somebody that's a little bit more mature with their app development process and their mobile strategy, they can greatly benefit from our infrastructure as well.
And so when we were talking about this, you said that there are two components to the product line. One is a collaboration component and one is actually embedded in the app itself to bring back the analytics and the data.
Right, great point. So we've got the Enterprise App Store part of it. So you can distribute this app and get it out to whoever needs to test it or your employees. And then you've got an SDK in the app itself that reports back to our servers and gives you detailed metrics, who's using the app, when it's being used, where it's being used, how often it's being used. Really data for if you're trying to monetize it from a marketing standpoint or just understanding who your customer base is, you can very easily.
Well, that's awesome, Danny. It's a great conversation. And where do we find more about App47?
Appreciate it, Jeff. www.app47.com.